Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you find the area of this shaded region? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. So we have a semicircle with two tangents AC and BC. The radii of the question is ED is equal to R and EB equals to R. So now let's begin. Now we have to know a theorem that the line drawn from the center of the circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so this line ED will be perpendicular to is AC as already mentioned by the theorem, and using again this theorem we can just prove that EB will be perpendicular to AB. So this is perpendicular. Now focus on this quadrilateral ABED. Here opposite parts are perpendicular, okay, and this is equal to this, so R and R, so this is representing a kite. So if EB and ED will be equal, so AD and AB will also be equal. So AD if 8, then AB will also be equal to 8. Okay, and what we have to know that opposite angles sum to 180 degrees. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So the interior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral will be equal to the opposite exterior angle. So these two angles will be equal. Okay, so now this AC is equal to 8 plus 9 17, and AB is equal to 8. So by using Pythagoras theorem we get the value of BC to be 15 units. Okay, now focus in these two triangles DEC and ABC. Here we have a 90, here we have a 90, here we have one of the angle equal, we have one of the angle equal, and the remaining third angle will automatically equal because it is the common angle. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, then we can use the concept of ratios of corresponding sides. So let's take the corresponding sides. For this angle the side will be DC, upon for this side it will be CB is equal to, for perpendicular it will be EC, for the other perpendicular it will be AC, for the common angle it will be equal to, for this common angle it will be DE upon AB. Okay, so we get the ratio of DC is equal to 9, BC is equal to, BC isn't given, sorry we have find it with 15 units, is equal to EC is equal to, not given, EC upon AC is equal to 17 is equal to DE is equal to, sorry, DE right is equals to R upon AB equals to 8. Now using these two equations we get the value of EC to be 9 into 17 upon 15, and using these two equations we get the value of R to be, okay, 3 is a 9, 3 has a 15, so it's a 24 upon 5. Okay, we got the value of R. So now let's try to find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region equals to the area of this triangle minus area of this semicircle. So area of this triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base equals to base multiplied by its height equals to BC, minus area of this semicircle, which is equal to half of pi into its radius square, that is R square. So we'll get 1 by 2 into AB equals to 8 into BC is 15 minus 1 by 2 into pi, and R square is equal to 24 by 5 whole square. Now we'll use calculator very easily. So calculating, we'll get half of 8 multiplied by 15 minus 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 24 square divided by 25. So 4164. In decimal it will be 23.79. So 23.79 square unit is the required area of this shaded region. I hope you like the video. You must know about cyclic kites or quadrilaterals. You must know the relation between them, and you must know the Pythagoras theorem to solve this question easily. You must know the main concept of similarity of triangles, and by this you can easily solve it. Thank you.